Hey guys, so I am at Thermaltake's booth out here checking out all the new RGB lighting technology here. They have been working on RGB lighting for a long time, apart from other PC components as well. So they have come up with this monster out here with so many lights that can be controlled using Amazon's Alexa or the iPhone Siri. So I have with me a representative from Thermaltake. Hello.
Hi there, how you going?
Yeah, pretty
So,
good.
yeah, my name is Jonathan. I work with Thermaltake Australia.
Okay.
And basically, I just want to show you guys a couple of our new RGB features as well as our new RGB products. So, you may know us for our Ring Plus fans, basically 16.8 million color ring fans that are addressable, but we now also have two new ones. So, the thing with our Ring Plus, basically, sometimes you would have to compromise looks for performance. And that's not something that we want you guys to have to do. So instead of it just being on the one side, with our Ring Trio, you can now find on the back side a separate ring here, as well as a ring around the bearings. So it basically allows you to have three separate controls of lighting. Unfortunately, our software is not up to that yet. We haven't been able to sort of mix the prototype with the new software, but you'll be able to change the direction and the lights of all those fans. You'll see them sitting between a case fan and a radiator fan, so they do have a good static pressure rating, but they also have a high CFM, which allows them to push a lot of air, so you can still use it as a case fan. Basically, here you can see what they look like in action, and as you can tell, it's absolutely gorgeous. So there's a lot of really cool illumination from them, but they're not too in your face. There is a bit of thanks to our translucent ring, it's kind of like a soft diffuser for your light. That way it's just not glaring in your face at night or whatnot. There is something really cool that you might see from us over here, and that's actually our RGB RAM cover. So I might just take the side panel or open it up a little for you guys, so you can take a closer look. Let's open up this bad boy. This is our View 91 case, by the way. It's quite a big monster. So yeah, so inside here we've got our Ring Trio fans, but our cool new RGB RAM covers. So this is the only PC on the booth that you'll be able to see them in. But essentially, we understand that RAM is already expensive, and then when you want RGB RAM on top of that, even though it looks amazing, it's still a lot more expensive on top of that. So we're going to bring you guys basically an $80 USRP price RAM covers, and these are going to be addressable RGB as well.
Okay, so you can tweak the colors of the RAM covers as well.
Yeah, so it's not just going to be a standard straight 256 color or static color. You'll be able to create these really cool gradients as per you can with all our other Ring fan software.
Oh, nice. So how about the software, Jonathan? How do you control all these many lights sitting on your PC?
So basically, the way it works is they all plug into a control hub.
Okay.
So whenever you buy one of our fans or our radiators or anything that's syncable with our Ring Plus software, it'll come with a control unit, digital control unit. And then you can use our software. I'm just going to put this back here. It keeps swaying in my face. But basically, being able to use the software, you're able to change all that via the digital controller. So if you come over here, this is a new version. So we've got a bunch of new features on here. Unfortunately, it's not quite stable at the moment. But going through here, we'll go for profile 1. So this is meant to be controlling our Aura, the Aura mode for our Flow ring. Let me just save this here and play around with it a little bit. Okay, so basically what I'm doing right now is I'm controlling a couple of these fans up here. So we'll focus on this one here. But essentially, I can move or I can change the software to be able to change different modes through here. So you do have your ripple effect. You can even change the speed, so maybe you like more of a fast sort of motion. You can change that. You can change through to length. There's my personal favorite, which is Aura. I'll just bring that over to you from now. Which is basically you're cycling through by creating the nice gradient, because we've got how basically the way it works is each individual LED is addressable. We're able to create those really cool RGB effects.
Brilliant.
Yeah. There's something new from us. It's called Twinkle. Essentially, the more fans you have connected, it'll basically twinkle the light through them all. So if you have them spread throughout the case, you'll be able to create this really cool twinkle star effect. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, going forward, we are going to be releasing a lot more RGB products that are going to be addressable too. So keep an eye out for those things. But other than that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this sneak peek at our RGB products. And thanks for joining us for Computex 2018.
Thank you, Jonathan.
No worries.
Yeah. Alright guys, this was all from Thermaltake, and we will be back with more videos like this from Computex 2018, so stay tuned on our YouTube channel, and if you want more videos like this, do subscribe to Digit.in. Thank you.